Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna let it all hang out during this video because at the end of the day, we are talking about how I have only gained 5 pounds during my pregnancy and I'm now considered full term. So I just wanted to chat about the reasons why I have only gained 5 pounds and also why my doctor said that I'm still in the completely healthy range and there's nothing to worry about. So I will start off by saying that normally with my body mass index, I should be gaining about 25 to 35 pounds by the end of my pregnancy. My son, he was late, so I still do have some time to gain weight, but 5 pounds is, when you look at these charts, still really, really low to be full term and only have gained that amount of weight. With my son at the very end of the pregnancy, I had gained a total of 22 pounds and I delivered him at about 4.5 weeks. So I'm going into week 39 and I've just weighed myself this morning and I've gained a total of 5 pounds. So my doctor said that overall, everything, my blood work, my stats, my vitals, they all look healthy. So that's something that she's looking at. She is also looking at the fundal height, which she looks at every visit and tracks. And the fundal height is the distance in centimeters from the pubic bone to the top of the uterus. And she said that that is growing at a really good, healthy rate. Why have I only gained 5 pounds and I'm also still considered healthy? So one big reason for me is that I do a lot of working out. I do a lot of weightlifting. And when I personally get pregnant, I lose a lot of muscle, which weighs a lot and weighs more than fat. And so even with my son, that contributed to not gaining that much weight, especially in second and the beginning of third trimester. The other thing with this pregnancy is my belly is growing, but I haven't noticed that much weight gain elsewhere. So like my thighs, my butt, my waist, everything seems to be being consumed by the baby and is burning off that fat and muscle elsewhere in my body. Number 2, I had the stomach flu for about 2 weeks. As well as indigestion, which was making it hard to eat my regular calorie intake. So when I did eat, I was trying to eat healthy things, but I just had heartburn and indigestion every time I laid down. So in that middle of third trimester is when that 2-week period occurred. So I attribute about 5 pound potential weight gain to that stomach flu that I recently got over. So lastly, the biggest factor to this really small amount of weight gain is that I am typically about, on average, 135 pounds. I'm 5'8". I work out on a regular basis, so I do have a lot of muscle, and I'm tall. So 135 is my normal weight. Now, when I found out I was pregnant with my daughter, this second pregnancy, I was weighing 146, which was extremely heavy for me. I thought that my scale was actually broken, and I weighed so much more than I normally do because I had just stopped breastfeeding my son. And so I think that my metabolism was changing. And so starting off at 10 pounds heavier than what I would normally be, I think has contributed to this really small span of weight gain during my pregnancy now. So if you haven't gained that much weight, or you have gained a lot of weight, or you're wondering what weight is normal, definitely focus on eating healthy things that are high in protein, going to your regular OB checkup. They can even offer a dietitian services. I am not advertising only gain 5 pounds during your pregnancy and stay slim. This is not something that I had aimed to do during my pregnancy or that I was trying to achieve. My main focus for me was getting in my regular workout, which just puts me in the good mood and is a part of my regular healthy routine. Eating healthy when I do eat, eating multiple small meals a day. That is what I've focused on, not so much the weight gain. but because this has happened, I wanted to make a video on it. So if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below and I'll get back to them. If you liked this video or this type of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next one.